In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize client data in Glide. To get started, open your browser and head over to Glide. Once the site loads, click Login and access your account. After you're in, you'll be ready to create a simple app structure that helps you keep client information organized in a clean and easy-to-manage way. From your Glide dashboard, click New App, then choose Blank App, and select Create App. Starting with a blank app is useful because it gives you full control over the layout and lets you build exactly what you need without unnecessary distractions. This is especially helpful when your goal is to organize client data clearly from the beginning. Once the app opens, look to the left sidebar and open the navigation panel. This is where you manage the main screens inside your app. Click Add Screen to create a new screen for your client data. Adding a dedicated screen helps separate this information from other parts of your app and makes the experience easier to navigate later. Next, connect that screen to your client's data table, which will act as the source table. This step is important because it tells Glide where the client information should come from. As soon as the screen is linked to the correct table, Glide can begin displaying your records in a structured format. If your table is already organized well, this part becomes even smoother and helps everything display more clearly. Now move over to the right panel and choose the style for the screen. The style controls how the information appears visually, so pick the one that best matches the type of client data you want to show. A clean style usually makes browsing and reviewing records much easier, especially if you plan to use this app regularly. After that, go back to the left panel and click Add Component. Choose a component that fits the kind of information you want to display. Components are the building blocks of your screen, and they help present your data in a practical and user-friendly way. Once the component has been added, head to the right panel and edit the component settings. This is where you fine-tune what the component shows and how it behaves. Taking a moment here to adjust the details can make your client data much easier to read and interact with. When everything looks good, go to the top right corner and click Publish. This makes your app live and ready to use. Thanks for watching this Glide tutorial on how to organize client data. If this helped you, like, comment, and subscribe for more no-code tutorials. See you in the next video.